Hello lovely people, welcome back to RBR Galleria, and in today's video we are going to draw a cactus with a pot, and for this I'm using Artline fine pens. I'm using here 0.8 for the outline part, and the paper I'm using here is A6 200 GSM watercolor paper. And so for the first pot it is very simple. We are drawing two slipping lines and joining it with a curve, and then a little bit slanting lines on either directions and joining it with a curve. And for the cactus we are drawing a leaf-like structure first in the center and give two curves on both the sides so that it can form a cacti shape. And now give a small flower on the top. This cacti has a flower on the top too. So now we'll give the thorns. Cacti will have thorns, so just throw small thin lines, very thin lines on all the edges of the curves and even in the middle. This looks something like this. And once this is done, we are starting to color the pot. So here I'm coloring my pot in beautiful yellow color. First I'm giving only single shade and I'm coloring exactly the shape of the pot, giving it straight lines. I'm doing it in only one direction. Okay, check that. Whenever you're working, please work only in one direction so that it will not be messed up or it will not form lines and all. And for the cactus, I'm using light green color first and coloring it in the shape of the cacti. Just see the curves. I'm working just in the shape of the curves. After this, I'll be taking dark green and I'll be doing at the edges of the curves to give a little bit of 3D shape, and even in the center and in the edges. It looks something like this. And in the bottom also I want to show the depth, so I'm just giving it a little bit dark color, very thin, very small lines of dark color. And for the flower I'm using pink color. And even for the thorns I'll be giving very light green, very light lines with the green color. And finally it looks something like this. And for this, to show the depth of the pot, I'm running the yellow brush again a number of times just to show the depth in the pot or shading part of the pot. And after this I'll be giving a little bit shade of the pot with the pencil. And this is how it looks finally. So this is how the pot looks. And if at all you're watching for the first time, please subscribe the channel, and if you like it, please give a like so that you can see many more simple videos in easy methods. Thanks for watching. Happy drawing. Enjoy drawing. Bye bye. Take care.